How to install the WhatsApp Messenger app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and from here, tap on Play Store, or you can open Play Store directly on your home screen. In here, go down to the bottom and tap on the search button. Then we go to the top here, and in the search text box, type in WhatsApp. So type in WhatsApp, then tap on the search key on the keyboard. Now from the search result, tap on the install button. This will allow the phone to install WhatsApp on the device. This app is around 50 megabytes or 50.71, approximately 51 megabytes. Now it shouldn't take too long to download and install if you have a very good internet connection. Once the installation are completed, tap on Open. Then from the list here, select the language you would like to use and tap on the Next button. Then tap on Agreed and Continue button. Now tap on Allow and put in the phone number and the country. Once you put in the phone number, just tap on the Next button or the Continue button and allow the phone to verify your phone number. Okay, after you verify your phone number, just tap on the Continue button, then tap on Allow, then tap on Allow All or Allow Limited Access. And here it says, do you want to restore your chat from your previous account? So here you can choose to restore or skip. Here I will select Restore. And it says restore your chat since yesterday, downloading the chat conversation. Depending on how much history you have, this may be quick or it may take some time. And then tap on Next. And here you can enter in your name, then tap on Next. If you like, you can also add in a profile picture. And here's a create a passkey to sign into WhatsApp. So I can choose Create. If you choose to create a passkey, it will ask you to continue with Samsung Pass. So here I will set up Samsung Pass. And that's it. We have now successfully installed WhatsApp on our Samsung Galaxy S25 series. And from here, you can now initiate a new conversation or you can continue with your previous chat history. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.